to get an invoice from eBay? Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to get an invoice from your eBay account. So first of all, just open your eBay account, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And if you don't have an eBay account, just simply log into your account, which will help you track your orders and the history of the orders that you have purchased from your eBay account. So eBay generally provide the invoice of the purchase or the things that you have purchased from your eBay account. But in some cases, if you haven't received your invoice along with the purchase that you have made, you need to get to the customer support or the help center for the eBay account in order to talk to the customer support to get your invoice of the product that you have purchased in the past. So just simply click on help and contact center from the top side of the screen, and over here just simply scroll down, and at the bottom of the screen you will be able to see the option called chat contact us. Just simply click on it, and over here you need to select one of the problem that you are facing regarding contacting the customer support in eBay. So whether it is related to selling, buy, account, refunds, refund, payment, bills. So just click on fee and billing, and after that just simply select the other option that are, and as soon as you click on contact us, the chatbot support team will open up for you. So just simply explain the eBay chatbot and customer service or the assistant that you haven't received the invoice for the past product that you have purchased from your eBay account, and the eBay customer support team will definitely help you regarding the invoice that you haven't received from your eBay account as of now. So just simply explain the problem here, and after that you will be able to get your invoice in some time. So this is basically how you will be able to get an invoice from your eBay account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.